Do you want to know how to turn off Save Search? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Turn off Save Search from the Save Search settings. To turn off the Save Search feature on your PC, visit https://www.google.com/savesearch. Select the Off option from the Save Search settings. Method 2. Turn off Save Search from the Google search page. Search for any topic in Google Chrome. Click on the Quick Settings icon in the upper right corner of the page. Select Save Search. This should open a new window. Select Off. And there you have it. The two methods to how to turn off Save Search. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method has worked for you. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.